Congratulations on taking the first step towards securing a degree apprenticeship. Whether you're exploring options or fully committed to this pathway, you've chosen an exciting journey that combines education and hands-on experience. Today, we're sharing tips to guide you through the process, giving you a solid foundation for success. First up, do your research. Degree apprenticeships are competitive, so knowing what companies expect is key. Explore a range of opportunities in your field. Learn each company's requirements and note the skills they value most. The better prepared you are, the stronger your application. Refining your writing skills can make all the difference. Craft a clear, compelling cover letter and CV for each opportunity. Tailored applications show employers you're truly interested in them. Use tools like spell checkers and don't hesitate to get a second opinion. Building relevant experience is another huge advantage. Internships, part-time jobs and volunteer roles can help you develop key soft skills like teamwork, time management and communication. Plus, these experiences give you practical examples to share in interviews. Next, make social media work for you. Connect with professionals and companies you admire. Following them keeps you informed on their latest news and it shows employers you're serious about your industry. But remember, maintain a professional online presence. When planning interviews, don't forget about potential costs for travel or relocation. Some employers may help with these, but it's always smart to plan ahead. Our UCW Heart team is here to support you, so reach out if you need help navigating this. Securing a degree apprenticeship can take time and effort, so don't be discouraged by setbacks. Keep learning, gaining experience and applying to opportunities that match your goals. Persistence truly pays off. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to an exciting career and academic experience. By staying prepared, engaged and positive, you're already setting yourself up for success. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing what you accomplish. To stay updated on new opportunities, sign up for our vacancy alerts mailing list and follow us on social media. Lots of vacancies will start being promoted from November onwards. Please register on the findanapprenticeship.gov website, UCAS, Not Going to Uni, as well as employer-specific websites to be alerted as to when adverts go live. And remember, we're here to help if you need it. Happy applying!